Hello everyone! This video will demonstrate how to make a lily pipe cleaner bouquet. Chapter 1. Let's see what's inside the pipe cleaner material kit. Our kits come in 3 colors: light purple, pink jade, and pea green. Taking the light purple kit as an example, it contains 100 light purple pipe cleaners, 100 white pipe cleaners, 100 dark green pipe cleaners, 200 stamens, 20 flower stems, 1 roll of floral tape, 1 lily bouquet greeting card with envelope, 5 hot glue sticks, 1 ribbon, 1 sheet of white inner wrapping paper, 1 sheet of purple outer wrapping paper, 1 plastic bouquet packaging bag, making a total of 531 pieces. Kits of different colors will have matching colored outer wrapping paper for the bouquet. There are 2 flower styles for making lilies. One is a bud style, and the other is a blooming flower style. Chapter 2. We'll start by making the blooming lily flower. To make a blooming lily, you need 4 dark green pipe cleaners, 12.5 light purple pipe cleaners, 1 flower stem, scissors, hot glue and tools, and floral tape. First, take out 2 light purple pipe cleaners and follow the video demonstration. Key points. 1. Every twisting action needs to be done firmly and tightened. 2. Every strand of the pipe cleaner on the petal needs to be smooth flat, without overlapping. This completes 1 petal. We need to prepare 6 petals like this. After making the petals, start making the stamen cluster. Take out the half pipe cleaner prepared earlier. Take out 8 stamens and follow the video demonstration. Use the pipe cleaner to secure the stamens together. Cut off any excess length with scissors. Next, we make the leaves. Take out the dark green pipe cleaners. Notice the long pipe cleaner to secure the short one. Then cut off the excess short pipe cleaner. Prepare to leaves. Finally, We assemble the prepared petals, stamen cluster, leaf, and flower stem using floral tape and hot glue. First, secure the stamen cluster to the flower stem. Then attach the stamen cluster and the petals. Fix 3 petals first. Then fix the other 3 petals in the gaps between the first 3. Be very careful during this step to avoid getting burned by the hot glue. Cut off any excess pipe cleaner ends to avoid an unsightly appearance when wrapping with floral tape. Arrange the petals nicely, spreading them out into a plane. Stretch the floral tape slightly to activate its adhesive on one side. Start wrapping from the base of the flower. After wrapping down about 10 centimeters, start attaching the leaves. The 2 leaves should be symmetrical. Finally, continue wrapping the floral tape all the way down to the bottom of the flower stem. Key points: 1. Always guard against burns from the hot glue. 2. Floral tape needs to be stretched slightly as you wrap to make it sticky, preventing it from coming loose later. Chapter 3. Next, we'll demonstrate how to make a lily with a bud. To make the bud, first prepare 1 flower stem, 4 white pipe cleaners, 2 dark green pipe cleaners, scissors, floral tape, a pen, hot glue sticks, and tools. The method for making the leaves and the bud petals is the same. First, let's demonstrate making a leaf again. For convenience, you can mark a 5 cm position on your finger. Pinch the end to a point to make it easier for the long pipe cleaner to secure the entire leaf. Make sure to twist tightly, otherwise the leaf may come loose. After making 2 leaves, We'll use the same method to make the petals. First, fold it in half, and at the fold, measure 5 centimeters. We'll quickly demonstrate this once more. After making 4 petals, we start assembling. First, secure the petals to the flower stem. Then fix the 4 petals together. Apply glue to both the edges and the top of the petals. Fix them as shown in the video. After fixing the petals, start wrapping floral tape around the base of the bud. After wrapping down about 3 centimeters, start attaching the leaves. Continue wrapping down to about 18 centimeters, then attach a blooming lily flower to the bud stem. To ensure aesthetic appeal, you can adjust the position of the blooming lily slightly. This completes 1 lily stem with a bud. The entire kit can be used to make 20 lily stems. You can make them according to your own preferences and habits. Whether placed in a vase or arranged into a bouquet, they will look very beautiful. If you want to make them into a bouquet, you can continue watching as we will later demonstrate bouquet assembly. The bouquet used for this demonstration requires 8 blooming lilies and 3 buds. The 3 buds should be fixed first to 3 of the blooming lilies. Take out the ribbon and wrapping paper from the kit. Place the colored side face down, as shown in the video, positioning the 2 sheets of wrapping paper. The white wrapping paper should be slightly higher than the purple wrapping paper. Arrange the position of each flower, roughly shaping the bouquet, and adjust the orientation of the flowers. Bend the stems of 2 flowers upward to make them shorter, facilitating the subsequent wrapping. After folding the wrapping paper, secure it tightly with the ribbon. Finally, tie a bow to make the bouquet more beautiful. It also looks lovely as a decoration in a vase. Every color is very beautiful. Which color do you like?